Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya pi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Udong yalam jong ke United Democratic Party uba lakmen rumboy uba longru menteri jong ke sarkar jilla ulaong baka jingken tho jong UMP ke seng Congress uba Vincent H Pala persya ye ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kadai tang ke jingkren kutlan namar ba omshim lakmi lenti satya baka ni ke sarkar hapo ke jingyalam jong Konrad Kongkel Sangma kumu menteri rangba kalayat lenti mentala laisnem kenti hadin bakalayo thau ya ke sarkar hadin ke election kabalalong house nem 8000 khat pra habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ba la kemen rumbui uloong baka jingkno jong ba Vincent H Pala kadai tang ke jingkren kutlan namar bo uyoi baka ni ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalala bantrai kam khambha banye ke seng Congress.
This is a political statement which I don't see it is fit enough for me to comment on that because everybody have their own point of view. But Mapala is a seasoned politician and he know that this have nothing to do with the competency, this have to do with politics, nothing else. Everybody has the right, he is entitled to his own point of view. But UDP as a party, we are here to serve the people to the best of our ability. But maybe the statement what they are making, it is out of frustration only because nobody keep think that this government could carry for more than 3 years. Everybody have count the days that this government may collapse at any point of time. So having seen that they cannot do this through machination or manipulation or coercion with any of the partners of this party, maybe Congress is a bit, they are frustrated and whatever statement which come to the press now is out of frustration only, nothing else.